The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Ukraine. The grouping of Russian troops and units of the Donetsk
Rusia mengirim pesan keras ke pengambil kebijakan Ukraina di ibu kota Kiev untuk tidak coba memasuki wilayah Rusia lagi. Rusia mengirim rudal kaliber menghantam perbatasan ibu kota Kiev dalam 24 jam terakhir. Rudal kaliber berbasis laut jarak jauh berpresisi tinggi menghantam fasilitas militer di pinggiran Kiev malam ini. Serangan terhadap pabrik pembuat mesin Zulyans, Vizar, menghancurkan bengkel produksi dan perbaikan sistem rudal anti-pesawat jarak jauh dan menengah serta rudal anti-kapal. Jumlah dan skala serangan rudal terhadap aset di Kiev akan meningkat sebagai tanggapan atas setiap serangan teroris atau sabotase di wilayah Rusia oleh rezim nasionalis Kiev, kata juru bicara Kementerian Pertahanan Rusia Mayor Jenderal Igor Konasenkov Jumat tanggal 15 April dikutip Tribun Timur. Pertahanan udara Rusia di dekat Gorodnya, wilayah Chernigov, telah menembak jatuh satu helikopter Mi-8 Ukraina dengan sistem rudal anti-pesawat S-400 saat kembali ke pangkalan udaranya, setelah menyerang warga sipil di Klimovo, wilayah Bryansk pada tanggal 14 April. Jet tempur Su-27 Angkatan Udara telah ditembak jatuh di dekat Lozovaya, wilayah Kharkov. Juga, 8 kendaraan udara tak berawak Ukraina ditembak jatuh di dekat Izyum, Lvovka, Novaya Astrakhan, Novaya Kuban, Shcheslaivo, Chernobaevka dan Cherny Sokol, kata Igor dikutip Tribun Timur.
The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Ukraine. The grouping of Russian troops and units of the Donetsk People's Militia have completely liberated Ilyich steelworks from Ukrainian nationalists as a result of offensive in Mariupol city. High-precision, long-range, sea-based Kalibr missiles struck a military facility on the outskirts of Kiev tonight. The strike on Zhulyansk machine-building plant, Vizar, destroyed the production and repair workshops of long and medium-range anti-aircraft missile systems, as well as anti-ship missiles. The number and scale of missile strikes against assets in Kiev will increase in response to any terrorist attacks or sabotage on Russian territory by Kiev nationalist regime. Russian air defense means near Gorodnya, Chernigov region, have shot down one Ukrainian Mi-8 helicopter with S-400 anti-aircraft missile system while it was returning to its airbase after attacking civilians in Klimovo, Bryansk region on April 14. Ukrainian Air Force Su-27 fighter jet has been shot down near Lozovaya, Kharkov region. Also, 8 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles were shot down near Izyum, Levkovka, Novaya Astrakhan, Novaya Kuban, Shcheslivaya, Chernobaevka and Cherny Sokol. During the night, 7 enemy assets were hit by high-precision air-based missiles. Among them, Tochka-U tactical missile launcher and a temporary deployment point of Ukrainian national.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.